I'm sorry, let me stop that and start represent. Stop. Can't stop. All right, can represent here. No window. Sure. All right, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
Today is November 14th, 2019, and this is the SED community meeting. We have two topics today. The first one is about the S390X support for release binary that we've been talking about. So, Norman?
Yeah, hi, this is Nirman. So I'm from NS team and I'll be looking on this matter from now on. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So I have raised a PR for supporting the SC90X binary build. And so this is just for the binary right now. We'll be adding the changes which will be needed for Docker later on when we get the binary in the release archive.
All right, thank you.
Okay. I believe Xiang's help reviewing the related PRs. Do you need help on reviewing?
Norman?
Yes, I think previously I'm not sure who was reviewing the PRs from our side.
Yeah, I think Siang and Sam was having some comments there. I had some comments earlier too, but I think mainly Siang and Sam probably the best one, and Jingy, you too, I guess. I'll take a look at.
Okay.
All right.
Just want to make sure it's getting reviews.
Yeah.
Do you want you to be attacked?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now we have Yu Chen talk about the cluster downgrade support. It's a long pending thing, and now thanks to Yu Chen, it's finally implemented.
Yay.
Okay. Yu Chen, do you want to talk about it?
Then I implementing the downgrade, and for the first round, we implement through API, downgrade, validate, enable, and cancel. For more information, you guys can go to this new release PR, and I attached a YouTube demo link here. It is a quick video demo for only the regular basic downgrade workflow, and yeah, that's it. If you guys are interested in that, just leave more comments. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can go ahead and play this demo. Is there do I need to turn the
No, there's no audio here.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to play it slowly? So I took a look at it. It's kind of fast.
Oh, okay.
So you can explain.
That's faster.
It's faster.
That's faster.
Oh, wait. Here. All right.
So basically, here I started a 3-member cluster, one by one. It's pretty.
The second one,
Okay.
and this is the third one. Okay.
And here I check the cluster version first. It should be 3.5.
Yep.
And then I issue the SED downgrade validate. Validate whether they can downgrade to 3.4, and it should be succeed.
That's the first one of the three command.
Yeah. And then I should downgrade, enable it to downgrade to 3.4, and now the cluster can downgrade. Then I close it one by one and restart it with the 3.4 binary. Every time I restart a new, every time I restart a 3.4 server, I will check the version and whether the cluster is healthy or not. It should be all be healthy, and the version should be downgraded to 3.4.
the cluster.
Yeah, the cluster version. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering, quick question here while we're doing it. I see the HTTP endpoints. I mean, have you already tried with the secure HTTP as well, or it works for?
I'm sorry, I can hear it.
Now, just wondering with the cluster itself. I was just wondering, have this one seems with the HTTP, right? It's not secure one, the demo itself, I guess.
Yeah.
Have you already tried? I was just wondering, curious.
It's just a demo for the downgrade functionality. I don't take the security into consideration, I think, here.
Yeah, those HTTP endpoints are not new. They were there. If they supported HTTPS, then, I mean, in this demo, we're just using that.
Right. Now I agree, and which is totally fine. I was just curious in case that the other thing was also sort of played with or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wenjia, do you remember? I think at some point there was a PR to separate matrix endpoint and health endpoints.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're separate. You can identify you can define your own port for metrics and health.
But they also support HTTPS.
If you want to do HTTPS for the metrics, and
I think there's support.
You can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. So for the people who just joined, we just did a downgrade demo, and Yu-Chen putting the PR link and the demo link into the meeting agenda. So you guys can go take a look. Sam, I know you were interested in the downgrade feature. If you could help review and define any corner cases that we didn't think of, that would be great.
Sure.
Yeah, is there anything else? So we only have 2 topics today, and that's the 2 topics we just went over.
Sorry for interrupting. This is Nirman again for SC90X thing. So I just wanted to know if while we are providing support to the binary now, and when will be released in which future release, or what are the other processes, or what will be the next step for us to go on with this to support SC90X completely for etc.
I'm not familiar with that part.
Well, so this is Sam. So I think, so this is the binary part, and then there's still a little bit of cleanup that needs to be done on the Docker file. And then once we have Docker support and the binary support, as long as that's included with the release tooling, what were you looking to target? Are you looking to target 3.4 or 3.3 or?
As soon as possible. I mean, we just want to get up this push in any latest version release. I mean, yes, we are targeting 3.3 as well, 3.4.
Okay. So I think then we would have to backport. I believe we would have to backport this then to release 3.3.
Okay.
So, and then I guess if we did that, we could try doing it with the next 3.x. So there was a 3.3.18 when Jed brought up that's pretty much ready to go. We could consider building for that. That's just a general proposal.
Okay.
Talk to everyone else on that.
Actually, I had one doubt regarding the steps in which we should raise the PRs. So now currently we have raised the PR. Should we wait for the binaries to get available in the archive and then we proceed with the Docker PR, or we can proceed right now only?
I think we should just the release tooling. You know, we build the binaries, we build the Docker image. So it would be good if they're all together, right? So if they're both in the repo, then
So, actually,
yeah.
I checked the release file. So what it does is it tries to download the binaries from the GitHub archive, and then it uses that binary to build the Docker file. So since now our binaries are not there in the GitHub release archive, that is why I just wanted to know whether we should get those binaries available in the GitHub archive and then proceed with the Docker PR, or we can do it collectively.
I don't know if I'm following. So what binary, because we build the binaries with the release tooling, right?
Yeah, so there are scripts, there are release scripts in the scripts folder. So in that script, what it does is it tries to download the binary from GitHub release archive and then build the Docker file. But our binaries are not available yet.
I see what you're saying.
In the
Well,
GitHub archive.
but that's part of the release process. So,
okay.
So we would upload those. Those would be available. So I believe those are uploaded to our Google Store, and then those are called later in the release process. I would have to go through the code, but
okay, maybe we can chat on the PR itself then.
Sure, but I think we need all the pieces to work, right? So
yeah,
we need the Docker definition to build that.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Sam.
Sure.
Okay, sounds
All
good.
right. Thank you very much, everyone. Mark, that's it for the meeting. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks again for the demo.